Hi, third graders. It's Monday, which means it's pretest day. So we are going to take a spelling pretest on our skill this week. We are on skill number 8. And our skill is the O and I vowel families. So we're going to work on our O and I vowel families. So you'll just have 5 words on your pretest and you'll have 1 sentence. So listen closely and remember to spell and mark your words. Some of these words have suffixes, and so you'll want to make sure that you put the ones with suffixes in the suffix column. So your first word that you're going to write right here is hold. Please hold my drink while I run inside. Hold. This word has a prefix that you'll write right here, and that word is holding. I was holding the drink while my mom ran back in the house. Holding. Okay, number 2 is most. Most of you will do really well on this pretest. Most. That word doesn't have a suffix, so we're going to go on to number 3. Number 3 is kind. I hope you were all kind. Kind. And that word has a suffix. It is unkind. It is unkind not to ask everyone to play. Unkind. Number 4 is bolt. I had to use the bolt to tighten the chair. Bolt. And number 5 is child. When I was a child, we didn't watch videos with our teacher in it. Child. Okay, now it's time for your sentence. So if you need to pause or back up and listen to any of the words again, this would be a good time to do that. Don't forget to come back and listen to the dictation sentence. Okay, here we go. The vet said that the wild colt is blind. Listen closely. The vet said that the wild colt is blind. I'm going to read it one more time. The vet said that the wild colt is blind. Okay, go ahead and pause. Make sure your sentence, you need to check capitals, periods, punctuation. You also need to make sure that you heard it right. So go back and listen to it again if you need to. And then on the back, you're going to write our heart words this week. So our first heart word that I want you to write on the back of your sheet is want. Want. The second heart word that I want you to write is watch. Watch. The next heart word I want you to write is water. Water. The next heart word that I want you to write is should. Should. And the last heart word that I want you to write is would. Would. Okay, back up, listen to anything you need to listen to. Remember, if you pass this pretest, you won't have to do any spelling this week. Good luck.